I want to make sure you look as good as possible without spending any money. As a matter of fact, the 10 ways that I'm going to show you in this video, they're completely free. And as you progress, you're going to start noticing yourself morph, being more charismatic, being more confident, looking better. I'm going to give you a great example of this. Chew more. You want to be better looking? You need to work out the muscles in your face, and the easiest way to do this is to chew more, whether that's vegetables and fruits that are hard or just chewing more sugar-free gum on a daily basis, and try to do it 2-3 times a day, and you're going to start noticing your face starting to look thicker, a little bit more structured. This takes me to number 2. Boost your testosterone naturally. Men with high testosterone are more confident, are more motivated, are more driven, are competitive, have better muscle structure. It is literally a free hormone your body produces to make you look as best as possible. And the easiest way to boost this hormone for free is to sleep more. When you sleep, not only is testosterone produced, but also HGH, which is what you call a human growth hormone. This is a hormone that people are paying thousands of dollars to shoot up illegally. Your body produces it naturally as you sleep. The more you sleep, the more of this hormone is produced, and the better you'll look. 3, start your day with the shower. Don't be the dude that showers at night. Start your day every day with a shower. Not only does it make you feel like you're in control of the day, but you're gonna be putting your best foot forward. See, when you don't shower, people know, bro, you're a little bit musty. You smell a little dirty because you spent 8 hours rolling around in your sweat, your dead skin, your oils. When you walk around like that, you can smell that must on you. Start your day with high quality products that make you smell great and make you feel great so you can carry that confidence throughout the day. This is why, bro, that's what I try to do with He Grooming. I want you to have your shower set ready so every time that you shower, our stuff, our body wash, shampoo, conditioner, it has high-end oils to ensure that every time you shower, you smell great. And this year, we're gonna level up like never before. Check this out. When you subscribe every single month, we're gonna be delivering a new shower set. So it'll be a new body wash, a new shampoo, a new conditioner, plus free items, completely redesigned, new functionality, new smell. That way, when you run out, you get a new set delivered to you right when you need it to keep you on point and keep you excited to wanna shower every morning, to wanna step in and smell different, smell great. And here's where it gets even better, bro. We're bringing in designers, collaborators. We're bringing in professionals. For example, for April, our first launch that's happening in April, this one we're working right now with Billy. I'm sure you've seen her across TikTok. Yo, she helps you look better as a guy and tells you everything you need to know. Well, she's bringing in her knowledge, and together we're designing our first new shower set that's dropping April that if you're not subscribed, I'm telling you, you're gonna miss out, because this is also what's new. It's insanely limited. Unlike previous shower sets, these shower sets are only gonna be a few hundred units, which means once it sells out, it's gone. And subscribers gets first dibs before pro members and anyone else. This is why I want you to click the link down below, subscribe to our shower bundle, and you know what? I made you a deal. I said this video was gonna be free. So to make it free, or basically cancel it out, I'll give you 2 gifts. I'm gonna give you the beard trimmer and the toothbrush. Both of those are almost $200 in value. I'm gonna gift them to you if you subscribe today, making the subscription essentially free. You're gonna get high quality products, and also you're gonna get ready for our new launch that comes in April. That way you don't miss it. Number 4, have great posture. This is so easy to do, but so many of you don't realize how you are forward leaning. Your head is literally in front of your spine, which causes your face to have circular features. The best thing you can do to know if you're in the wrong, find a wall. Find a wall, put your shoulder blades against the wall, and then line up the back of your head against that. As soon as you do it, by the way, you'll feel instantly more powerful. You'll feel more confident, and also you'll notice the definition on your jawline. Talking about definition, I want you to start mewing. This is number 5. Mewing is the process of basically breathing through your nose and keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Too many of us keep our tongue on the bottom that allows us to nose breathe, and similar to having bad posture, having bad facial posture creates more a circular effect. When you have a tight facial posture with your tongue on the roof, you notice the instant sharpening of your jawline. Number 6, be less expressive. This means that when you're in a conversation, I want you to be more relaxed. I don't want you to be over the top, giggly, super expressive. This does 2 things. 1, you avoid wrinkles forming in your face. The more expressive you are, the higher the chance of developing fine lines early on. But more importantly, it keeps you neutral. It keeps you mysterious. When you're in a conversation and you're the guy that can stay neutral in any situation, you're gonna be more attractive. Number 7, exercise daily. And this is important when I mention daily. I don't, especially if you're just starting out, I don't care about how much you lift or if when you go to the gym you spend 5 hours in the gym. See, that doesn't matter if you're inconsistent with it. I would much rather you pick up a combat sport, or you pick up a sport like basketball or soccer or football, or you actually pick up the gym, or you pick up running or bicycling, and you do it on a daily basis, whether it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It doesn't have to be long, but it has to be consistent. It is the consistency and the discipline that will take you to a healthier lifestyle and a better body. Number 8, speak slower. This is simple, bro. Like, all these are free and you can do them instantly. As you talk, I want you to control the rate at which you're speaking. So what this is gonna do is, it's one, gonna allow you not to stutter, so it allows you to think, but it also allows you to control the conversation. You can even add dramatic pauses along the way. And as you're doing this, people are gonna be more captivated. They're gonna be engaged, and also, you're gonna look confident. You're not gonna be stuttering, you're not gonna be jittery. 9, keep your fingernails trimmed. This one's so simple. I'm not telling you to go get a manicure, but at least keep them trimmed down. You have to understand, it doesn't matter how well put together you are, how well groomed you are. If your fingernails are long and there's dirt underneath them, you've ruined everything. And finally, number 10, step into the steam room. Again, this one's free if you have a gym membership and they offer it for you for free. Otherwise, don't spend money on it, but if it's available to you and it's free to you, use it on a daily basis. Not only is it great to burn brown fat, and you just sit there and you're essentially burning fat, but it's also great to expel toxins. So as you're sweating, your body's pushing out all that toxin. And the more you use it, the clearer your skin's gonna get all over your body and the better you're gonna look.